Hello friends, my name is Darshana Parmar. I am student of Government Arts College Talaja. Today we discuss about author of that long silence novel, Shashi Deshpande. Shashi Deshpande, to be a woman is not a weakness, it is a strength. Introduction. Shashi Deshpande is an important writer in Indian English literature. Through her works, she mainly presents the lives of Indian middle-class women, their emotions, struggles, and inner psychology. She is known for portraying modern Indian society in a realistic way. About Shashi Deshpande. Shashi Deshpande was born in 1938 in Dharwad, Karnataka. She is the daughter of the well-known Kannada writer Sriranga. She grew up in a literary environment at home, which developed her interest in writing from an early age. She held an important place among Indian women writers. Education. Shashi Deshpande completed her education in different fields. She earned a degree in economics, studied in law, studied journalism in Mumbai. Because of this diverse education, her writing showed deep social, legal, and psychological understanding. Literary career. In her literary career, Shashi Deshpande has written like novels, short stories, essays. She mainly writes in English. Her works focus on middle class family, gender relationship, married life, and a woman's search for self identity. Major work. Some of Shashi Deshpande well-known works are That Long Silence portrays woman's silence in and inner suffering. Second, Roots and Shadow show the impact of family and tradition. Third, The Dark Hold No Terrors deals with fear, marriage, and mental conflict. Fourth, A Matter of Time explore relationship and the effect of time. All these works clearly present the reality of women's lives. Themes in her writing. The main theme in Shashi Deshpande writing are woman identity, the importance of a woman understanding and accepting herself, marriage and family life, the difficulty and responsibility women face in married life, silence and oppression women often suffer silently. This silence reflects their inner plan, self-realization, the process through which a woman recognizes her own value and strength. Awards and achievements. Shashi Deshpande has received several awards for her literary contribution like Sahitya Akademi Award 1990 for That Long Silence, Padma Shri in 2009 for contribution to Indian literature. Her work is appropriated both in India and abroad. Why she is important? Shashi Deshpande is important because she gave a voice to Indian women. She presented social reality fearlessly. She wrote with a feminist perspective. Her literature helps readers understand women's lives more deeply. Conclusion. In conclusion, Shashi Deshpande is a powerful writer in Indian English literature. Her works portrayed women's struggle, emotions, silence, and strength. Her writing inspires social thinking and helps us understand women's lives from a new perspective.